Alright. Can you see me? Yeah, no more excuses. I've been calling people, I've been calling places, emailing, and to no avail. So today I'm gonna go outside after, I run some other errands, I'm gonna go outside and just drive around, look at places that I can go into, speak to the manager, and see how best I can pitch myself, pitch my business, and try to get this machine out of the window. It's been a while. If you saw my previous video about the vending machine, spent a pretty penny on it, and it been sitting on doing nothing. It's currently 9:05 a.m. Tuesday, March 3rd, 2026. This month would make a year since I bought it, and November would make 2 years since I've had it. No, 2 years since I bought it. March would make a year since I've had it completely. And yeah, bro, we're waste time. So let's see how best we can cold approach people, even persons or locations that I have already called. Can go up to them and see if that can be somewhat of a warm approach. And just see how best we can work towards really ramping up or starting the vending machine business. So let's keep on watching to see if I actually get a location or get some form of news that is in the positive direction. And to, I guess, increase my confidence or or to have a better first impression, I just don't trim myself. You can't really see it. Obviously, I have on the mask. Put on a polo shirt. I have on. You see me? I have on my sneakers. I probably should tie it. I have on my little pants, polo shirt, a little gold chain, a watch, black ring. Hopefully I look like somebody who should be taken seriously. So I'm gonna also speak with confidence and just sell the business. Yeah, wish me all the best. I was also thinking about the possibility of them wanting a business card, but I don't have a business card, so my plan is to just write multiple pieces of paper, my name, number, and the business on this, and in case they want to call me or anything. Alright, so I just finished doing a Uber trip, and luckily that Uber trip brought me to one of the locations I wanted to come to deal with the vending machine. So yeah, what is it? Excuse me. Could you direct me to the admin building, please? Admin? Yeah. Or like a VP or Bursa or anybody. I wanted to speak to them regarding vending machine proposal.
Okay, you can.
Yeah.
Just take the you guys the blue shirt.
Alright. Oh, not me. Them? Oh.
I'm not telling you. The person I was going to make a talk is in a meeting, and I'll have our assistant talk with you.
Okay, that's like the, I guess the VP?
The burst.
The Bursa?
I was going to let her talk to the burst, but I'll let our assistant talk with you. She's in on
Okay, no problem. Thanks.
yeah.
Because I called one time, a male spoke to me, but I didn't get any like follow up on it. So I just wanted to, come in person and see if we could have,
Compound.
Oh,
Based on the contract.
morning.
Based on the contract that they signed.
Okay.
So it wouldn't be possible at this moment.
Alright, no problem.
Yes.
But thanks, sir.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Based on what well, not be, bro. So I called this location a couple months back, and the man could have simply said, "What I'm come here for here," right? So the man said, based on the contract them signed with the canteen, them can't let nobody else come in and business transactional services on the compound. Okay, I understand. That's a quick no, bro. Could I just tell me no and done? So that a one location knock out of the window. Alright, I was driving past and I just happened to stop by and see them. So we could just see what's going on. Morning security. I do want to speak to like an admin representative in regards to vending machine services. Yeah, like a business proposal for the school. Somebody want to talk to somebody.
For which company that vending machine they come from? Where them put in it?
Juices.
What kind of juice?
Gatorade, water, Lucozade.
I man around the canteen that they have to go talk to.
Oh. Alright, I'm gonna talk to him. What age group there, sir?
Eh?
What age group there, sir?
From 12 year old.
Two.
Eh?
To what age?
To adult.
Oh, to adult? Oh, alright.
Special school, you know.
Special?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, come and see that drive past still and see you know. So I'm gonna still do But if
So you still want to talk to him?
nah. You good man. Yeah man. Thanks. Excuse me? Yeah. Afternoon. Could you direct me to the admin building please? Yeah, or to like a VP or Bursa. Oh, straight ahead where those persons going up the staircase? Oh, alright. Alright, thanks. He's one of the persons that I've been speaking to. She claimed that it would be a good idea, but she hasn't followed up with it. She hasn't called me or anything, so this would be more like a warm approach than a completely cold approach. Morning, is line to... Yeah? Oh, alright, thanks. Afternoon. Good morning? Or, yeah, afternoon. I was wondering if it was possible to speak to, like the Bursa or... Is it? Alright, thanks. Morning. Mornings. Would it be possible to speak to the Bursa? Yeah, in regards to... I was calling her a couple times in regards to vending machine. Yes. Thank you. Afternoon, I'm good. It's nice to finally meet you.
Okay, so I spoke with, as I told you, I wanted to speak to the administrator. I did.
Yes, sir.
They were telling me they love the idea, but we're going to have an issue. We're going to put it.
The location in terms of like the outlets or like,
Outlets and where we're going to put it.
in terms of like security concerns. I don't think there's anywhere close to like I guess security cameras or
So we do have it.
so you couldn't go anywhere else other than the corridor? On the corridor they're like playing a lot or
In it there, we're thinking about everything. Distraction. Miss, can I go outside? Go outside, go to the vending machine, come back. You understand? So we're thinking about a lot of stuff and the challenges and the advantages if you want the advantages of it. You have to go out. That's not a sleeping room. out in the afternoon while they're waiting on their parents,
Mm-hmm.
get something over wins,
Mm-hmm.
stuff has to go and come back. But if we do have a vending machine, it will allow them to stay on it.
Has any of them ever gotten like injured or
No.
no? Oh, I hope the pros outweigh the cons. I hope.
Yeah.
No.
No.
Because I really wanted it to not just benefit me, but benefit I guess the kids as well. Yeah, so that's why I even thought about like the scholarship idea and you know. In the case where you want me to like follow up, like come back or
You can call me.
Mhm.
Are you gonna see you, No.
No, I would have to call yeah. You want me to? Yeah, alright, no problem. Well, thank you. Thank you for considering it. Thanks for your time. Alright, peeps, hope you can still hear me. Testing. Yeah, you can. Alright, that was not bad at all. Hopefully, I got all of that conversation on camera. But as you heard, I hope. See, I've been calling her, and you know, she said she liked the idea. She brought it to like higher personnel. So she said to give her, I guess, 2 more weeks. Yeah, but there's some other like errands to run right now. But they do some. I don't know. I hope they lean more towards it than away from it though, because I really believe in this idea. Like I hope the corridor, or I hope the corridor thing that will kill my business, bro. I hope today is on March, the Tuesday, so me for link her back the 17th. Yeah, so right now 12/11, 3rd of March Tuesday. I link her back the 17th and see what's going on. So yeah, I'm more than likely go finish the video here. Thanks again, guys, for tuning in. If you want to, you know, stay abreast to this journey, this vending machine journey, stocks journey, Uber journey, fruits journey, business on a whole, like, share, subscribe, follow if this was informative, if this is, you know, something you like seeing. Try make some bread, bro. Try build a legacy. And just got on time. Later.